In this video, I'm going to show you how Samsung Health works. The Samsung Health app is designed to help you monitor and improve your overall health by tracking your daily activity, exercise, sleep, and nutrition. Once you open the app, you will be directed to the home screen. At the top, you will see the exercise section, where you can add different exercises to your daily routine. Below that, you will see a heart icon representing your daily steps, active time, and calories burned. A full heart means you've completed your daily activity goal. Then you'll see the next section of steps. If you want to adjust your step target, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the step section. Select Set Target and choose your desired step count. Further down, you can track your weight and set weight goals. You can also monitor your sleep patterns and see how much rest you're getting each night. Samsung Health also helps you manage your nutrition. You can log your daily food intake, including calories, macronutrients, and hydration levels. This helps you maintain a balanced diet and stay on top of your health goals. The app also includes a mindfulness section, where you can try breathing exercises, meditation, and stress relief techniques. You can track your mood and see how mindfulness practices are impacting your overall well-being. In the blood pressure and blood glucose sections, you can manually enter your readings to monitor your health. You can't measure these directly with the app, but you can store data from your doctor or home monitoring devices. In the Together tab, you can connect with friends and family to track each other's progress and take part in group challenges. In the Fitness tab, you can join different workout programs, including strength training and yoga. Many of these programs are free and offer step-by-step guidance. By regularly using Samsung Health, you can track your progress, identify patterns, and make better decisions for your health and fitness. And that's how Samsung Health works.